Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: hormonal imbalances. Whether you're dealing with mood swings, irregular cycles, or fatigue, balancing your hormones naturally is a game changer. And I'm here to share some of the most powerful herbs, foods, and lifestyle tips that will support your hormonal health. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more wellness tips like this one. And if you've tried any of these natural remedies before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers. They regulate everything from your metabolism to your reproductive health. When your hormones are out of balance, it can lead to fatigue, irritability, and weight issues. That's why finding natural remedies to support your body's hormone regulation is so important. Today, we're talking about 10 incredible natural ingredients that can help bring your hormones back into balance. Let's get started with the first one. First up, we have maca root, an ancient Peruvian herb used for centuries to support hormone balance. Maca root helps regulate estrogen and progesterone, which is especially helpful for women experiencing menopause symptoms. It can also boost energy and improve libido. You can add maca powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods for a hormone-boosting breakfast. Next, let's talk about ashwagandha. This powerful adaptogen helps manage stress by lowering cortisol levels. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, ashwagandha can help bring calm to your body, which is key for hormone regulation. You can take ashwagandha in capsule form or mix it into your evening tea for a relaxing effect. Now, let's talk about chaste tree berry, also known as vitex. This herb is particularly great for women. It supports the production of progesterone, which helps regulate your menstrual cycle and alleviate symptoms of PMS. Add vitex to your daily routine in tincture or capsule form for best results. If you're going through menopause, evening primrose oil is a must-try. It's rich in gamma-linolenic acid, which helps balance estrogen and ease symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. Take evening primrose oil in capsule form or apply it topically to your skin for added benefits. Flax seeds are small but mighty when it comes to hormone health. They're packed with lignans, plant compounds that act like estrogen in your body. Flax seeds also support digestion and weight management, which can be affected by hormonal imbalance. Simply grind flax seeds and add them to smoothies, salads, or baked goods to incorporate them into your diet. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, helps reduce inflammation in the body, a common issue that can throw hormones out of balance. It also supports liver detox, helping your body get rid of excess hormones. Add turmeric to curries, smoothies, or teas to get its full benefits. Red clover is another excellent herb for women, especially during menopause. It's packed with isoflavones, compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, offering relief from symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. You can enjoy red clover as a tea or take it in supplement form for lasting relief. Cinnamon is not only a delicious spice but also a powerful tool for balancing hormones. By helping regulate insulin levels, cinnamon prevents blood sugar spikes that can disrupt hormonal balance. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, add it to smoothies, or enjoy a cup of cinnamon tea to support your hormone health. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is an adaptogenic herb that supports the thyroid and helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone. If you're struggling with thyroid imbalances, this herb is a must-try. Drink holy basil tea or take it in capsule form for the best results. Last but certainly not least, probiotics. Your gut health is closely tied to your hormone balance. A healthy gut can help detoxify excess hormones, improve digestion, and support a healthy immune system. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your diet, or take a high-quality probiotic supplement. So, there you have it, 10 amazing natural ingredients that can support your body in balancing hormones. Whether you're dealing with stress, menopause, thyroid issues, or PMS, these herbs, spices, and foods offer powerful support for your hormonal health. Remember, everyone's body is different, so always consult with a healthcare provider before adding anything new to your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a wellness tip. And if you've tried any of these natural remedies, let us know in the comments, how have they worked for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay balanced and healthy.